kick off this video, I'm going to show you how to install the UniView application. So you can go onto Google Play Store and then search for UniView. And you will then download and install this UniView app. When it is done installing, you can open up the app and you can get to the login screen. Now, if you do not have an account already, you click on sign up and you can then select your region. What I like is it shows you the recommended region right at the top. You enter your email address and you agree to the terms and conditions. You will then receive an email that you can confirm your account with. But I am just quickly going to sign into my account. Now that I am signed into my account, I do not have any devices yet. To add a device, you can go into the menu, go to devices, click on the scan, and on your DVR you will have a QR code. This will, however, only work if that device has not been added to a EasyCloud account before. If a device is added to an EasyCloud account, then you can simply just ask the owner of that account to share the device with you. And all that he would need is your email address that you use to sign up on this app. I will show you at the end of the video how to share the DVR or NVR access from the EasyCloud account. Once access to the DVR or NVR has been shared with you, you can go into your menu and into devices. And here you will see that the device that I needed access to was added automatically. I'll then tap on it and I'll say Start Live View. And then you will have access to the live view. You can also go to playback, and here you can add a specific camera, and the blue dots will show you how far you can go back on the recordings. You can specify a time and date here. You can also search for different events on the recordings. To install the EasyStation software, you can go to UniView's website and download the software. After the download is completed, you can run this program. And follow the steps. After the installation is complete, you can open up the EasyStation software. And you will be prompted to create a super administrator account. This is just for the software on your computer, so you can create any account here. And then you can choose some password protection questions and answers here in case you forget your password. Thereafter you can log in with the password you created. On the first startup, you will be prompted to add devices, and unless you are connecting locally, you can skip this. You can go to the device management option, click on cloud device, then login. Here you will use the login credentials that you used for EasyCloud as well as the UniView application. Once you've signed in, you will see the device that was shared with you, and you can then go to the control panel, live view, and you will see it over here as well. You can then set up your live view display. From here you can also go to control panel, playback, and you can start searching for recordings. To share the DVR or NVR access to another cloud account, you can log on to EasyCloud using this URL over here, and you will use the account used to add the device. After you've logged into the EasyCloud portal, you can edit the description of the device, or you can remove the device should it no longer be in use. You can also reset the local password of that device. We want to share this device, and in order to share it, you would need the email address that was used to create the UniView cloud account or to log on to the UniView app. I'm going to quickly share this with the account that I created. On this window, you can also specify a timeline or a valid until date, and you can add remarks. And as soon as you click on share, they will then be able to add the device on their mobile app or on their Easy Station.